this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I'm in the kitchen, but there's no sound from the workmen. They've been very quiet today. But those medlars, most of them are bletted now. Let me show you this pile. You can see they're a lot darker in colour, and they're very, very squidgy. Oh, and there's £6 of them there, and that's what I'll be using to make a wine. I've got about £3 to £4 left that I haven't completely bletted yet, and I've got about £6 that I'm using up here, but that's how they are in the shells, basically, because they have got big seeds in them, and they're right fiddle. If it wasn't for the fact that I grow them myself, and so it's free food, because I bought the tree years ago, and I wouldn't go out and buy these. They do taste like already made applesauce, with a slight bit of toffee apple to them. So what I've decided to do, because I'm making a wine, this lot that I'll be using today in cooking, I'm just squeezing them out of the rind, and then I'm going to go through it for seeds, and all the pulp will go in with the other batch of medlars for the wine. But I'll show you how I am at the moment. Yes, it doesn't look very appetizing, does it? So this is all the outer skin, the rind, and I've just squashed out the middle. Let me show you. This will look lovely. Just squeeze it, and it's that soft it comes out. It's a very messy job. So here's another one. Squeeze it. This is coming out far easier and better than the ones I did before. And just get the pulp out. I'm not bothered about this because I'm making Medlar wine, so this will just go in with the pulp from that. But obviously this I will be using, and there are some big seeds in it. See, that is a seed, and so it's fair size. There's about 4 in each one. So I need to strain this in some way, and I watched one woman, Raw Lisa I think it was, and she strained it through what they use in homebrew, and I thought, I did a haul on Fabric Friday the other week where there was quite a few net curtains, some of which I'll use, some of which I won't. And one of my subscribers suggested they're very good for straining, so that's what I'm going to try it with one of them. So I've cut one bit, and I'm just going to dump all this in. Oh, it does look lovely. And then just bring it together. And yes, my hands are clean. I have washed them several times. And that is how I'm going to get all of it out. It's not working. Think. So this is trial and error because I've never cooked with them before. I've never eaten any of them before. They've always ended up dropping off the tree and rotting. So I'm going to try different things out. Oh, this is so lovely. I'm going to try different things out. Anyway, this way, although it's coming out really, really smooth, it's going to take me all afternoon. That was a fail. I'll find something else now. Such a fun thing to do on a Tuesday afternoon, isn't it? So obviously I don't want any of the seeds. Oh, this isn't as messy. Is it working though? Yes, I think it's going to take me all afternoon. Bye!
It's a